The best way to get rid of weeds in the lawn. Weeds rarely become problems in healthy lawns. Poor maintenance methods in irrigation, fertilization or mowing usually lead to weed invasion. You usually can't achieve total removal of weeds, nor do you need to. With a weed management program, you can reduce weed populations to tolerable levels. To maintain the lawn after removing the weeds, use proper methods and levels of irrigation, mowing and fertilizing for your turfgrass species. Things you will need: herbicide, lawnmower, turfgrass seed, water, fertilizer. Take a sample of each type of weed that grows in your lawn and identify them by checking with your local cooperative extension office. Generally, weeds fall into 3 broad categories: broadleaves, grasses, and sedges. Different types of weeds require different control methods. Dig out weeds and remove as many of them as possible by hand. Remove the whole plant, because the weeds could redevelop from any stems left in the soil. Apply the appropriate herbicide for the type of weeds in your lawn. Generally, spring and fall applications of herbicides produce best results. Some herbicides provide extended control with reapplications. Follow manufacturer's instructions regarding timing and rates. Remove sources of weed seed such as bird feeders and lawn mowers that mow weedy lawns. Mow the affected area closely to expose or loosen soil. Sow new turfgrass seed on the lawn to help the grasses in your lawn out-complete the weeds. The seeds and soil have to make contact. Water the lawn frequently to encourage the new turfgrass seeds to develop. Add the appropriate type of fertilizer for your turfgrass species once the new grass grows. Tips: warnings. Too much, too little or poor irrigation, mowing or fertilizing practices can weaken the grass, leading to weed invasions. Check the specific requirements for your turfgrass species and follow them closely to optimize turfgrass health and minimize risks of weeds forming.